Yeah. Your boy Young Lover. About to spit a freestyle 16 for y'all real quick. Yeah. Alright. You can find me on Young Lover, Facebook.com and all that good stuff. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Say, so much swagger from this rapper, I can share it with the neighborhood. Man, I wish a hater would come and try to take the goods. He'll get found in the Chattahoochee River with a brick on his ankle and a knife in his liver. Killed him, cause ain't nobody touching the swag. Had it since birth when my mommy hopped on top of my dad. Make rappers mad, cause they poppy didn't give him that gene. Swag, these, like that thing in my jeans is so clean and shiny. Nobody wanna try me. My swagger raised the murder count cause they be catching bodies. And it's so significant, spread it all over Michigan. And these other rappers aired up like a Michelin. It stay shining while I'm spitting, ripping on the tapes. Swag be the reason why these young niggas wanna hate. Clean so you never see me lying in jail. Swag stupid so the flow I got is hotter than hell. Yeah. Shout out DJ Word. You got that shit? Yeah.